Hi everybody! Welcome to Aizen'schannel. Let's enjoy Japanese authentic home cooking. Today we're gonna make juicy Japanese ginger chicken. I put the recipe in the end of the video for your later use. Also, don't forget to check 2 more different types of tasty chicken in the end. This is the ingredients for juicy Japanese ginger chicken.Chicken thighs, salt, soy sauce, sushi vinegar, ginger, parsley, black pepper, lemon juice, and olive oil. You can make sushi vinegar by yourself. The ratio is here. Let's get it started. At first, get a Ziploc bag. Put chicken thighs in a Ziploc bag. The skin side is down.Sprinkle salt, soy sauce, sushi vinegar, ginger, parsley, pepper, and lemon juice on the other side of skin. Because the skin side doesn't absorb seasonings, we're gonna put those seasonings on the other side of the skin.Close the bag and massage chicken well. Make sure you remove the air from the bag. You can make more marinated chicken bags at once so that meal is just easy to be served by grilling in the oven on the other day. Put the marinated chicken in the fridge overnight or freeze some for later use. Preheat oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit.Take marinated chickens out of bags and put them on the oven seat. The skin side should be the top to make it crispy. Pour some olive oil on the chickens to make them crispy more. Put the chickens in the oven. Grill for 40 minutes.40 minutes later, it smells so good, and it looks good too. When you're busy, just grab a marinated chicken bag from the fridge or freezer and grill in the oven like this. It's easy and save your time. This is juicy Japanese ginger chicken.Okay, I will introduce 2 more types of different chicken recipe. It's tasty, curry chicken and fire chicken. Number 1, curry chicken. These are the ingredients. Chicken thighs, salt, black pepper, curry powder, cayenne pepper, lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. Any other spicy seasoning could be the alternatives for cayenne pepper.The process is the same as ginger chicken. Put some chicken thighs in the bag. The skin side is down. Add salt and pepper, curry powder, cayenne pepper, lemon juice, and balsamic vinegar on the other side of skin. Again, the skin side doesn't absorb the seasoning. We put the seasonings on the other side of the skin.Close the bag and massage chicken well. Make sure you remove the air from the bag. Put the chicken in the fridge overnight and grill chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Number 2, fire chicken, spicy chicken. Ingredients.Chicken thighs, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, and olive oil. Other spicy seasoning like red chili pepper or shichimi togarashi could be the alternatives for the cayenne pepper. Again, the process is the same as other 2 chickens. Put some chickens in a Ziploc bag and add salt and pepper, cayenne pepper, balsamic vinegar, and lemon juice on the other side of the skin. Close the bag and massage chicken well. Make sure the air in the bag is removed from the bag. Put the chicken in the fridge overnight and grill chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Okay, finally I put the detailed recipe here. This is juicy Japanese ginger chicken. And this is the recipe for curry chicken. And finally, this is the recipe for fire chicken. The cooking process is simple, so why don't you try it? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe it. See you in the next video. またね!